In this lesson, we're going to learn how to get a free domain for our EC2 instance. Though it's okay to access the web page we built using the IP address or the DNS provided by AWS, it would be nice to have a memorable domain we could use to access the site. To do this, open your browser and head over to freenom.com. Then you could type in a domain name to see if it's available. In this case, I'm going to type learn code and then click on check availability. Unfortunately, that domain is not available, so we could try something else. And now let's try code demo. Alright, check availability again. And that is available in .gq, so I click on get it now. And then you click on checkout. And by default, the domain name given to you by Freenom is available for 3 months for free, but you can click on that drop down and choose this to be free for 12 months. And once that's done, I'll click on continue. And then I have to provide my email address. So type in your email address. And click on verify my email address. And this is going to send an email, a confirmation email to your email, and I'm using Gmail, so I'll head back to my Gmail account, and this is the link from them. I click on it to verify. This brings me to the client area where I have to provide all my details, such as first and last name, company name, address, city, and all of that, phone number and email address. So I'll go ahead and fill in my details. Then choose a password and confirm the password. And you want to check the box and agree to the terms and conditions. And click on complete order. Once this is completed, you see an order number and click on the button to go to the client area. Once in the client area, you can click on services, click on my domains, and then you come to the domain that you registered and click on manage domain. Then click on manage Freenom DNS. So we want to go ahead and put in an area code. So an area code points to an IP. So you want to grab the IP from your AWS dashboard, and on this screen on the target, you want to put that IP and save changes. Once that's done, we would also want to add an area code for www, just in case you want to access your web page using www. The domain name. So you can add a record for www, and then you put in the IP again. Then we also want to change the TTL to 300. That is 5 minutes, and that just lets our DNS resolve quicker. So pretty much in about 5 minutes we should be able to use the domain to access the web page, and you click on Save Changes. So now that that's all done, we can head on to the web. I open a new tab basically in our browser, and we can now use the same domain name, which is the code demo, the GQ, to access our web page. So instead of the IP or the public DNS provided, we can now use the domain name to access it. Alright, thanks for watching, and in this lesson we learned how to get a free domain name for our server and use that domain name. Pretty much change the age record for the domain name so it points to the server, and use the domain name to access it instead of the IP or public DNS. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next lesson.